PMDG 737 engine start procedure. In this tutorial we will start the engine using ground air cart. In other video we will see how we start the engine using APU or cross bleed. Before engine start, check all hydraulic pumps on, electric hydraulic low pressure indication lights extinguished, all doors are closed, fuel pumps on, all low pressure indication lights extinguished, right back off, isolation valve auto, left back off, bleed air duct pressure check 30 psi minimum, anti-collision light on, engine start check, left engine start switch to ground, engine start valve open, N2 rotation check, N2 20% movement in N1 checked, engine start lever to idle, fuel flow check, AGT increases normally, N1 rotation check, N2 56% start cutout check, oil pressure rise check, engine parameters check all stabilized, generator 1 drive indication light extinguished, AC meter to generator 1, voltage and frequency within acceptable limit checked, generator 1 on bus, the 3 indication lights extinguished, ground power and air cart disconnect, engine 1 throttle advance until the duct pressure reaches a minimum of 30 psi. Engine 2 start switch to ground. We follow the same procedures as we did with engine 1. Throttle 1 to idle, both engines stabilized. Engine 2 generator drive 2 indication light extinguished, generator 2 on bus, source indication light extinguished, left and right back to auto, engine start procedure completed. In the next video we will complete the after start flow. See you in the next video.